Good morning, tech friends. Are you awake? This is early morning, 6 a.m. I'm here in Midtown Manhattan. I'm going to do a battery swap job in one of the store. I will be swap APC unit. This is early morning and my job is around 1 hour. There's no time limit in the work order, but that's my target. I will finish within 1 hour. Okay, so let's go do the job.
So I am going to assign you for a battery swap job. So you will go to swap battery in ACP unit. Do you familiar with that?
UPS?
UPS, that exactly, yes. So you
Yes.
are familiar with that.
Yes.
So I will show you what need to do, what you will do. And
And this is the job for tomorrow?
Yes, this is tomorrow morning. So you see my screen, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So when I will send you the paperwork, you will get this type of paper, and you will write down who you working with, what your time you in, what time you out, who is the store manager, and what you did. You will documentation. It should not be too many things to write. So if is everything you can fit in this page, that's good. If not, bring a paper and pen with you, some notepad or loose paper. Bring with you. If you need more to write more, write everything. Okay, so you have to document the serial number, the battery you changing, and the new battery you putting in. You have to write down both serial number. Okay, so that's the battery. There's the serial number. You see the serial number?
Yes.
Okay, you need a Phillips head screwdriver. That's the basically you have Phillips head screwdriver. You will be open this. Should be 1, 2, 3, 3 screw. 1, 2, 3.
Like the back of a
one screw is
desktop.
missing here. So you should be open this 3 screw, and you will be able to pull this up. So before you pull this up, you unhook this part. This is the power unit.
Okay.
This is the plug. So this blue portion come with the battery, and this blue portion with the power unit. So you unplug this and pull it out. So that's how it looks like. So you get the serial number. You see it says S by N. That's the serial number. So you take the old serial number out, old battery out, and document the serial number. And after you take it out, that's supposed to be, you see there's empty space. You put the new one in. After I told you before, you disconnect this, and once you put new one back, you connect it back. That's the old one. So this is the back part of the battery. So what I do for the taking picture, but you're not supposed to wool anything. you should only, so you should only disconnect this. Give me one. So I will suggest another thing, bring some hand gloves and paper towel, wipes, because most of the time those place, once
Dirty.
somebody put something
Dusty.
in, long time nobody touch it, lot of dust on there. So bring the mask, so you don't get those dust in your nose and hand, everything. So there's the battery. There's the other server, Dell server. There's the whole server, right? Either they have Dell server, Cisco server. Yeah, I think the Dell and Cisco, they have both on there. One of them, I think this one they're not using anymore. But this depend is not really our concern as a battery swap. We just focus on this bottom part. That's the battery. We
This
take
is
this
where I'm
out.
going tomorrow. Is
You
this the
going
place I'm
tomorrow.
going tomorrow?
Mhm,
Okay. This is the real server I'm going to be working on tomorrow.
mhm.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the new packet, as I said. Okay. So that's the picture I took when I was going in the morning.
When you were going in there. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I will put that video on in front. So when you go to the store, let me do this order. So you go before even when you in front of the store, call the store manager. Hey, I'm here, because that's early morning. The store may be not open. The store manager employee getting ready to start working. So call them, and they will open door for you. Go in. Now, once you in, call the help desk. Help desk will be shut down the server. They will be shut down server. If they don't shut down server, you cannot start working. Once they say everything is okay, everything is clear, server is shut down, then you will start working. Once you finish, put battery back in, connect everything together, then you call them again. Hey, I'm done. I turned on, I see the light. So they will be turned server back on. Once they say server turned back on, you will be clear with the manager. Hey, I've done, server is on. I'm done here. Once they says, so manager says, okay, yes, everything is on. So you are done. You take the paper, take his sign, and you on the meantime, you take, like, once you take the old battery out, take the serial number, take the picture on every step. Before you start, take a picture for whole.
Okay. Okay.
Take the
I get
picture
it.
on
Just like
the.
I'm working on my laptops. When I'm working fixing laptops, I take pictures every step.
No, so for tomorrow job, you really don't need laptop, but you have a smartphone with the camera, right?
Yeah, no, I was just saying that you said to take picture at every step. I was saying yes, I agree. Just like when I'm fixing computers or when I'm fixing something in the house, I take pictures at every, like when I take the front camera out, before I take it out, I take a picture of where it's located, all that stuff, so that you can know everywhere things are, you don't get lost.
Sure, yes, sure. And that also a requirement from the customer side, because they want proof what you did.
Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
So
okay.
both way. Like I had picture, so I can show you now. If I don't have picture, I can show. So every technician should keep the journal. That's for his future reference or her future reference, and future for future tech. Anytime anybody else goes to do the same job in future, they should know what exactly happened here. So you keep the documentation. You take the serial number on the paper, you took the serial number, you document, hey, I put the old battery out, I put a new battery in, and take the picture of the batteries. There's the outside the package, you put in, that's the inside, that's the new model, new printer. You take all the documentation. Once you get the documentation finished, manager says you are clear, you are done. Once you done everything, then you will call me. So you will go when you on site, you text me, hey, I'm on site. And don't be late. You have to be on 7 on the spot. So be like 6:50 on there, text me, hey, I'm here, and then call the store manager. Then you start working. You should
What time do they open?
Usually, I think the store open at 8, but store manager and other people, they come before so they can.
Okay, so I will be able to go in. Okay.
Yeah, usually because you have to start working before store open, because they shut down the server.
Sure.
That means there's no business that time. Once the customer start working, walk in the store, they have to start business. So that's why within an hour you should have to finish. It's not that much to do, so you should be finished within an hour. If anything happen, any reason could be take longer, that's understandable. Call the help desk. He usually will be on the line, but like the time you're doing changing the battery, he not need to be with you, so you will disconnect. After you put back, if you see when you call back, you tell him everything, hey, this is going on. If he would maybe say, if his rack is on, all the light is on, if you see everything is on, you clear. So hopefully nothing will be happen, and you are done.
So, I work very well. And I work neat. I'm tidy. I work smart. I love. I can't wait. This is amazing. I can't wait.
What question you have? You have any question?
I guess my only question would be, let's say, for example, I go into that place and the manager, they wanted me to stay a little while longer because of it. Do I have to call you? Do I have to call you to let you know that they wanted me to stay and do something else? Like they have something else they want done in there, or?
No, you don't do anything else. That's the only job you do, change the battery. If something goes wrong on here in the server, let's say you take the battery out, you put battery in. And after you put battery in, server knows up. So that happened to me when I was there, and I put everything back, and they turned the server on, but there's no light is coming. So I had to move the rack. Another hour I have to expend to do that. That's part of your job, but that's kind of bad luck. Bad luck day. That should not be happening. You put battery in, battery out. Nothing should be changed. Everything should be back up. So if anything happen in this area in the server, that's your responsibility to wait until the help desk says everything is clear. So if it take more time, more than 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, whatever, until help desk says you are clear, you have to stay. So if help desk it take more than 1 hour, yes, once you finish, let me know that that is happened, and you documented that's what happened. So server not came up, that's the thing I did, that's why it take time. So you will get paid accordingly.
And how do I contact the help desk?
I will give you the all information. The information will
Okay.
be there.
Okay.
So don't do like if they say, oh, we have a computer not working, we have a printer not working. No, that's not your issue. You
Yeah,
will
that's
mark
what I
only
wanted to ask.
one
Okay.
ticket. If they need
Okay,
that,
okay.
they will make more ticket. You can come back later, or because we have to have contact with them to do the job. If we don't have contact, we cannot do the job.
Understood. Understood.
Okay.
Understood.
What else?
Find me an 8-hour position, please. An 8-hour job, 8 hour every day.
Okay, so if you
Even
have
three,
anything this related question.
even 3 or 4 hours every day, I'll take it right now.
No, okay, we'll talk that on offline. So let me, if you have anything related to this.
No, I'm excited to go get out there and represent your company and work efficiently and be productive.
Okay, wish you luck. Hopefully it will be a good day for you. This is first time you're going, and
Fingers
I
crossed.
hope everything will be goes well.
Thank you so